guys, how are you? I hope you're fine. Let's unbox now. You can see there are so many pieces. Two tiles. Let me fix this. Bang! Bada bang! Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Another one, baby shark. Mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark. What is this? My gun. Look at my money, money. Look at my money, money now. Money, money. Money, money. But I did it square. Think what I'm making. It's a pyramid. There are so many pieces. Yes. What should I make? Idea. I'll make a car. I have some money. They are $2. Here. Sorry, I forgot to introduce my friend, Mr. Johnny and Mr. Hank. Let me leave them in the car, then I will build house for them. Where do you want to sit? Here. Okay. He wants fresh air and he wants easy. So let me try another one. Yeah. Yes. Guys, can you see? These are very easy to build cars. Like this is the back space. You just put the things and boom. And this is a driver's seat. Are you sad? Please make me a house. Make both of us a house because it's so hot here. Okay guys, don't worry. I'm here for you. Now we need a ceiling. I'm doing it like a Sonic. I made a car for my friends and a house. Now they are not poor, they are rich.